Ugh. It's a bunch of old oil.
Offices, and they used to have a church here and nursing school.
Yeah, we want to see the children's hospital.
I think that was that basement we were in with the windows.
Oh yeah.
I think that was it.
Smells funky in here.
Pretty. This is a room I've always pretty cool.
Eat my ass.
Hey, I saw this. It's better to burn out than rust
Yeah,
than it is to rust.
yeah.
So it's
That's
better
a bit
to burn out
cliche, isn't
than
it?
it is to rust. Yeah. No, it's actually kind of ironic.
This is like a,
Yeah,
this is amazing.
Eat my ass.
Suck my ass.
You know that line?
yeah.
Uh-huh.
Where's that room with the power?
Oh, it's right over on the other side of this cage. I don't even know what these cages are. When I broke into the basement of my high school, they had the same kind of cage.
You broke into the basement at the high school?
It was really tiny.
Oh.
They had like this kind. It looked just like this. There was a bunch of electrical stuff, switches, and a bunch of switches and electrical stuff, and that's the old alarms or something.
Hey, how's the GoPro doing? She's still blinking? Yep. Still look like it's level pretty good? Alright, cool.
There. Remember that?
Damn, look at this fucking old
There's
ass.
the power. There's the power. What is that?
Look at this old ass fire.
Yeah, man.
What does it say? What is that for?
I don't know. That's something else.
Telephone wires right there.
I got a key. No one's ever done that before, I'm sure. Is that for
that makes you
internet?
wonder, right?
Remote alarm.
Look at the HDSLB.
So wait, the remote alarm is on.
Remote?
Local remote alarm.
And nothing's ever happened. I wonder if this is where that tunnel was.
What tunnel?
There's a drywall there. See what's on the other side of that. That tunnel that I...
Hey Joe, look at all these tools.
Tools?
I think they're tools. Oh, never mind. It's just like a bunch of bolts. Wall wags and stuff. Looked like tools. Safe? Oh no, it's just like, oh, it is a safe, you know?
It looks like a refrigerator.
Yeah, you're right. Just a really old one.
So down here somewhere there's records. There's records right around here.
There's records all over this table right here. Look at this shit, Logan.
Oh, right there.
More records.
That's the one I was seeing in the video. They're documents of employees.
Packing list.
Johnson Control.
What?
Yeah, look at this. Bill Vaughn, Aurora.
1988. It's I found landscaping records.
Wholesale distribution. Yeah, that's a receipt. Man, they paid $484. What's the date on this? Oh, wow.
What is it?
November 4th, 1990. I wonder how much $484 was in 90.
$484 a night, you said?
No, in 1990.
For what?
It was a receipt. It's on the table right there.
Oh, look at this PVC. I was trying to make fuel vaporizer and that kind of stuff for my car. I think I might do. Once I get the O2 sensor working.
Yeah.
Oh, these are really good.
Yeah, this is the file
There
that's
we
on
go.
the video. They're all employee files.
Pharmacy. You want to know something funny? There's still a pharmacy across the street from the hospital. It's still working. It's
Oh,
called
sorry.
Medical Park Pharmacy. And they still use it. Even though it's abandoned.
Is that a map?
They're blueprints.
Hey, is that room we were in? The
Yeah.
circular one?
Copley Hospital, Lincoln, West Aurora, Illinois.
Wow.
Hey, this is from 87.
Really?
6/3/87.
Jesus, man. All this shit's just forgotten in time.
You know what? I think look, there's window air conditioners in there. I'm still trying to find that tunnel. I actually find a wall.
To the brick building, Joe?
What?
To that brick building?
To the
There's a staircase right around here that goes up to that brick building.
I'm talking about Bardwell.
Talking about what?
Bardwell.
What's that?
The school across there.
Yeah, Bardwell, man.
I don't know what's when they're doing the ladder. What's on the other side?
Well, honestly, if it's a school, they probably closed it down for security.
Right today?
What?
You mean
No, they probably closed the
The
entrance.
entrance,
Yeah.
there's nothing on the other side of the pipes? I think I know where we are.
Right here
This
we.
way is where the school would be. So there was the entrance would be in the back of one of these.
Wow.
Electrical boxes. There's maintenance stuff in this part.
Look at this socks bag.
I know. Outdoors. Business office. Man, look at this couch. A fireplace.
I think this used to
You guys
be
want to
the
have a
church.
fire?
This used to be the
Sit.
church, I think.
Relax by the fire.
Locked. Look underneath the door.
Oh,
No, it's locked. There's something underneath the door, behind it.
behind it, on the other side is the outside. If we do
But look,
this,
there's something behind there.
are you sure about that?
Yeah, because it.
To go in from that window.
Oh, okay. Oh, look at the nice tile over here. Granite floors. Wow.
Dude, these are nice.
Whoa, Logan.
That's exactly the same kind of battery I have.
Yeah.
Literally the same exact thing.
This is the window people used to always go out. They put it's just held on by wood screws.
Yeah.
That'd be an easy way to get in and out.
The video I saw, they didn't
Oh, yeah.
come through here though.
No? You probably came through that window on ground level that whole time.
No, it was, there's like air vents. And they
Oh, they climbed it.
Yeah.
That was a long time ago. That's in here. I think this was the chapel.
nice floors, bro.
Yeah, really.
Yeah.
They're expensive as shit, probably.
Mm-hmm. That's some vents.
Nothing in there. Nig.
I'm gay.
iDubbbz. You still watch iDubbbz, Joe?
I think I can see a car.
Yeah, I can.
Yep.
There's like a party going on at that one house or something.
Oh, there always is, I think.
That's probably like a trap house.
Yeah. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. Follow Satan on Instagram. How original.
I followed Satan. He's this rich guy. But I unfollowed him because he's annoying.
Yeah.
Love black cock.
Here's the stairs going up. This is the nursing school. This is like the nursing school.
Whoa.
No, that's weird how they have
Yeah.
this wall here and then the outside wall.
Right. Very interesting.
It's probably because it was a school or something. I don't know.
You came this way, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a third level. And then in the attic, there's actually a whole bunch of old, like brand new clocks that were never used, like they have in schools.
Whoa. You ever hear?
Oh yeah, this is the door we actually came into here.
Okay, that's the ballast on there.
Big Coke.
Oh, have they tried to spell cock or something? That's stupid.
It probably was big cock, but they ain't put the E. Just wanted to be some big coke. It's the elevator shaft.
Is that a cargo elevator? I think that's a cargo.
Yeah, it has to be. It's not very tall.
Joe? Let's go up to the third level.